For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Ever finished a craft or sewing project and suddenly your whole table looks like a confetti party exploded? Or crumbs magically appear in your car overnight? Let me show you the tiny vacuum that solves those moments fast. Simplicity Vacuum's Flash Mini Handheld Vacuum is made for those real, everyday messes you don't plan, but always end up cleaning. I'm not talking full house deep cleaning. I mean thread piles around your sewing machine, glitter from crafts, crumbs in the car, or pet hair stuck on a pouch. When I first tried it after a sewing project, it pulled loose threads and lint right off my table in seconds, no dragging out a bulky cleaner. That's when it clicked for me. This vacuum is built for right now cleaning. The suction may look tiny, but don't underestimate it. It grabs fabric threads, small scrap pieces, car dust, and pet fur without struggling. If you sew, craft, or detail your car, you'll notice the difference immediately. I used the crevice tool inside my car seat edge after a snack-filled drive, and honestly, it surprised me how easily it pulled everything out. No fading power, no frustration. The 14-foot cord is another huge benefit. Instead of worrying about battery dying or waiting for charging, you plug in, clean, move around freely, and you're done. For focused workspaces like sewing desks, craft tables, shelves, and car floors, that constant power keeps you moving without breaks. Cleaning the vacuum itself is simple. Rinse the dust cup, shake the filter, and it's ready again. If you work with fabric or paper often, having a washable, reusable setup makes life easier and cheaper. Lightweight, portable, and super handy, it fits in sewing rooms, craft spaces, cars, and even small apartments. Pet owners will appreciate quick fur cleanups too. It's the kind of vacuum that stays nearby because it handles those small, everyday messes instantly, and that's where it earns its place. In short, the Simplicity Flash Mini Handheld Vacuum makes daily cleanups simple and fast. Strong suction, long cord, washable parts, practical tools, everything built to tackle real-life quick messes without slowing you down. If you love clean workspaces like I do, this one becomes part of your routine fast.